Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing the file, open the image and immediately duplicate the background so you keep an original. Once done, add a solid color fill layer on top and pick the general hue you want. This is your color filter. Convert the image duplicate to a smart object if you plan to tweak filters later, because that keeps edits reversible. Make sure the fill sits above the duplicate. This lets you change blending modes and opacity without altering pixels. Now refine how the color interacts with the photo. Switch the solid color layer's blending mode to color first, then try soft light or overlay to see differences. You'll control strength by reducing opacity, start around 20–50% and adjust to taste. Once you have a pleasing balance, add a layer mask and use a soft black brush to paint away the effect from faces or highlights where skin tones must remain natural. Also consider clipping a hue/finish by making small tweaks. Adjust layer opacity, try alternative blending modes, and group the color layer with masks for complex areas. If you want global shifts, add a clipped hue/saturation or curves layer to the duplicate to modify contrast and hue balance. This helps the filter sit naturally. When satisfied, flatten or save a PSD to keep layers, then export a sRGB JPEG for web. Troubleshooting tip: if colors look flat or too saturated, switch from overlay to color blending and lower opacity, or check image bit depth and color profile.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.